Today it's about 105 degrees in Green, Iowa, and we're checking out a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. Thank God this one has AC today.
It does, and it works, Dalton. It's a really good color combination.
Yeah, I know, I like the color combination a lot. Always like the taillights on these as well. Good sounding dual exhaust.
It's nothing crazy, but it's a nice driver. We bought this from a gal down in Missouri, and it is a super cool driver. Bottom of the hood's all painted nice. Jambs are done. It's all black underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. It's like a newer battery, cables. Give the old girl D.
I like it. It's nice under the hood. It's original
Nice
like
car.
color combination.
Yeah. Front bumper's got some Mars on it. Like I said, it's definitely not a trailer queen, but it's a nice car you can pull up to a local car show and be really proud of. It's got some cool American racing wheels on it. Just a great stance as well.
Sure does.
Back of the hood lines up nice. It's really nice and even with the top of the fender, top of the door there. We did buff this one all out, so as far as the top side's all wet sanded and buffed. It's older paint, but it looks really nice still. Again, back of the hood lines up nicely. Got a little tiny little chip right here. Looks like just a little bit of a burn through scratch right here as well. Not perfect, but really cool car. Tires look like they're in good shape. Good tread there. Original door handle. You can see some wear on that still. Nice gap on the back of the door from top to bottom. So we open up the door. Door jamb paint looks just as good as the paint on the outside. Nice seats, and I love the silver in there. It looks good front and back. Everything matches nicely. Headliner is real decent. A few little wrinkles, but not bad. Dash pad does have some cracks on it. Dash pad could use to be replaced. Carpet's been redone, and the scuff plates are original. So, you know, a guy could replace those if he wanted to enhance that a little bit. Door panels, seat covers are beautiful. Corner of the door solid, no body filler in there. Inside the trunk, you can go to our website, coyoteclassics.com.
Does have this little scratch there.
Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out all the trunk pictures in there, all the undercarriage pictures as well. Man, it's bright out, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't think it was supposed to be this hot in August.
Oh, man.
I thought August was supposed to start wearing sweatshirts and shit.
Yeah, not this year. Look up and down the sides, nice. The back bumper is in great shape. Front bumper has some little Mars in it, but it looks like the back bumper's been all re-chromed. Back trim's all original. I love looking up and down here, up the driver's side. Bottom of the door lines up great to the quarter panel. Really straight body. The color combination with the white interior, white top, and the white in the front fenders looks great. Dalton, you'll have to kind of watch for me. It's so bright I can't really see crap here for any imperfections. Gap's nice, back of the door, like I said, lines up nice. Rocker panel all looks good. Bottom of the fender lines up good to the rocker. Really good gaps on this, really.
Yeah.
Factory door tag. All the colors are decoded on there on our website. Shade does a good job of that. As far as the door panel goes, again, door panel's been redone. Rubber's new there. Driver's side seat's good. Should we roll up the back windows, bud? It goes up and down nice. Good rubber here. Roof rail rubber has been replaced during the paint job as well. Worst part about the entire car is the dash pad.
Yeah. It's really, really a nice car. I'm impressed by the way it turned out after we buffed it, and like the color combination a lot.
Yeah. I'll pass this over to you. Port works. Man, that air feels good.
Yeah, it does.
It blows ice cold. We got all the windows up here. What a nice treat for us on a hot day, huh? Original AM radio, non-working, but it's all still intact. That feels great, huh? Did we do the yeah, we did the wipers. Obviously, your heat and air work. Inside dome lights both work back there. Damn, the sweat. Even though the air is blowing cold, it's still the sweat's in my eyes. I feel bad for the kids at football practice here.
Oh, I know. I know.
Power steering, look at that, works perfect. Really nice there. This one's got 70,300 miles. You know, could be original. Hard to say.
As you mentioned, Gene, it's kind of lady owned, well taken care of, not beat on. That's why it's kind of in the shape it is in today.
Yeah, it's really nice, except for that, like you said, the dash panel got some, you know, got some sun or some. They just don't age very good. Well, it's really just by the each side of the speaker, isn't it? Very common on any classic car. Brakes are excellent, no pull left or right. It's got power brakes. It's got cruise control. It's got aftermarket cruise.
That's crazy. I wonder if it's hooked up.
I don't know, I doubt it, but we're gonna try to find out. All I care about is the air conditioning.
I know, that does feel nice on my knees.
Nice. It's got nice kick down with the transmission, works good. Speedometer works. Gas gauge works as well.
Nice shift there.
Yeah, not a powerhouse, but shifted up to third. We're doing 70 mile an hour, blowing ice cold air. No way. Cricket Cruise works.
That's awesome. It actually does make it kind of nice in something like this if you want to go for a longer trip to have that cruise.
I mean, yeah, we got the cruise set right now at 70 mile an hour. Steering wheel, look at the steering wheel, going perfectly straight down the road.
I'm impressed by it, I really am.
I'm really impressed. Of course, on a 105-degree day, cold air conditioning doesn't take much more than that to impress me. Can I point it my way, D?
Yeah, you can see it for a little bit.
I love that the cruise works. That is a nice feature.
It is. And it goes down the road so nice too, suspension, all
Look
that
at
feels
that, one
good.
finger.
How about this too? There's virtually no wind noise. You know, a little bit, but
no, I don't hear anything over here.
We could definitely whisper in here.
Whisper.
All right. Nice car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com.
One more thing, D. Sorry. I just wanted to point out the temperature gauge is just starting to come off cold here. It wasn't cold, it's just at the bottom of the dial. So that works good too. So
nice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Great car.